How to get rid of warts permanently. At the end of this video, believe me, you will have been able to know all the effective ways to successfully get rid of all types of warts permanently. Warts are caused by an infection with human papillomavirus, HPV, where this causes an excess amount of keratin, a hard protein, to develop in the top skin layer, therefore making a wart. There are different types of warts. There is common warts. These can appear anywhere on the body. Most often they are seen on the hands. Filiform warts. These generally appear around the mouth and nose. Subungual and Peringual wart. These appear under fingernails and toenail. Plantar warts. These grow on the soles of your feet. Flat wart. These are usually found on the face, legs, and arms. Genital warts. These are found on and around the genital region, between the thighs, and can also appear in the vagina and anus. Following 4 main methods can permanently get rid of the wart. Method 1. Using foods remedies. 1. Use lemon juice. Squeeze lemon juice over the wart, then top with finely chopped fresh onion. Do this for 30 minutes once a day for 2 to 3 weeks. 2. Take garlic capsules. Do this twice a day for at least a few weeks. Warts should start to fall off after a week or 2, but use garlic until the wart is gone. You can also apply garlic oil to the wart once or twice daily for a month. 3. Make a fig mask. Mash a fresh fig and apply it on the wart for 30 minutes. Do this every day for 2 to 3 weeks. 4. Use apple cider vinegar. Take a cotton ball enough to cover the wart and dip it in vinegar, fixed with bandages overnight. Remember that this can be very painful. Change the cotton every day and keep it every night if possible. After a week, the stem will begin to peel off, and you can scrape it off to reveal the healthy flesh underneath. Allow the area to heal after this is done. 5. Eat foods that strengthen the immune system. Examples include garlic, sweet potatoes, whole grain bread, sunflower seeds, and rice. 6. Put in pineapple juice. Soak your warts in pineapple juice. It has a soluble enzyme. 7. Use basil. Stick some crushed fresh basil on the wart with a waterproof first aid bandage. Do this every day for up to a week. The antiviral compound in basil leaves will kill your warts. 8. Using curcumin. Curcumin is an extract of turmeric found in health food stores. Combines curcumin, papaya extract, papain, which can be purchased in tablet form and ground into powder, and vitamin E oil. Take a sharp needle or pin and dip it in the curcumin mixture. Push the needle as deep as possible into the wart. Continue injecting more paste into the wart, drilling more holes if needed. Apply the rest of the mixture to the wart and cover it with a medical bandage. 9. Cut carrots. Mash 1 carrot and add just enough olive oil to make a paste. Apply the mixture to the wart twice a day for 30 minutes. Do this for 2 to 3 weeks. 10. Tie the wart with a banana peel. Cut a section of banana skin so that it is slightly smaller than the tape you will be using. Rub the inside of the banana peel onto the wart, then secure it with tape. Keep it on the wart for a day before removing it. Repeat until the wart is completely removed. 11. Using a citrus twist. Cut a slice of lemon or a lime zest slightly larger than the wart and cover with a tape. Refresh skin every day or so and keep warts covered for as long as possible. After about a week, the entire wart should fall off completely. Method 2. Using home remedies. 1. Try castor oil. The acids in castor oil irritate warts and work best on small, flat warts on the face and back of the hands. Apply castor oil to the wart with a cotton swab twice a day. 2. Using toothpaste to the wart and tape. Leave it on for a day and repeat until the wart disappears. 3. Take aspirin. Take some aspirin and chew them. Add a few drops of water. Take this mixture and apply it to the wart-affected area, then stick it with tape. Leave the action all night. 4. Avoid touching the wart as much as possible. Warts can be easily spread to other parts of your body by touching them. Make sure you don't keep on touching them so that you get rid of them completely. 5. Wrap it with a vitamin E. Open a vitamin E capsule and apply some oil to the wart. Cover it with duct tape. Remove the bandage at night to let it breathe, then start over with the oil in the morning. Repeat 3 times a day. 6. Apply tea tree oil. Dab a little on the wart and cover with a bandage. Do this for up to 3 weeks. 7. Use hot water and pumice stone. Soak the wart in hot water until it softens. Scrape it away with a rough, exfoliating pumice stone until it's level with the skin. Filing the skin from the wart will cause the area to become irritated, which can help your body's immune system heal the wart faster. 8. Coat it with vitamin C. Crush a vitamin C tablet and add water to make a paste. Apply it on the wart, and then cover it with a bandage. Leave it on during the day and then remove it at night. 9. Use bleach to treat warts. Apply bleach to a cotton swab and put it to the wart for 15 minutes. You should wash the area thoroughly after applying bleach. 10. Try betadine iodine. Also known as iodine, apply betadine to the wart and cover it with a bandage and let it work for a day or 2, then renew the bandage. 11. Encourage antibodies. Place ice on the wart, then poke the wart with a sterile needle several times, taking care to penetrate each layer of skin into the wart. By introducing the virus into your bloodstream, you help your body see the wart and fight it off, which can lead to it disappearing from your body. This method works great for some people because even poking a wart on your body can help your body detect other warts and kill the wart naturally. 12. Burn the wart. Light a match, blow it out, and while the tip of the match is still hot, touch the wart. This causes the blisters to trigger a healing response. Peel off the infected skin, apply aloe vera, and cover with a bandage. Repeat if necessary. But try this at your own risk. Method 3. Trying gentler methods for removal. 1. Apply dandelion sap. Choose a fresh dandelion and cut off the stem. Apply the milky sap that flows from the stem onto the wart. Repeat this 3 or 4 times a day. Scrape the wart with a pumice stone to remove layers of dead skin. Continue doing this until the wart disappears. 2. Use warm water and sea salt. Soak the pimple in warm salt water for 10 to 15 minutes to moisten the skin. Scrape off the dead skin layers from the wart with a nail file, pumice stone, or soft sandpaper. Moisten the wart and apply a large layer of sea salt on it. Place a bandage over the wart to keep the salt in place and watch for a few days, changing the dressing after bathing or if the salt falls off. 3. Mix baking powder. Mix baking powder and castor oil into a paste, then apply it on the wart at night, using a gauze bandage. Remove the bandage the next morning. Repeat if necessary. 4. Use hot water. Soaking plantar warts in a hot water is helpful because it softens the wart and can kill the virus. Make sure the water is not hot enough to cause burns. Keep the temperature below 60 degrees Celsius. Method 4. Using medically verified remedies. 1. Laser engraving. Your doctor will use a laser to burn off the wart. When other methods fail, it may be necessary to burn the wart. 2. Apply Cantharidin. This is where doctor applies Cantharidin directly to the wart, then bandages it. The next day, remove the bandage and remove dead skin. 3. Use Imiquimod. It is a topical cream used to treat certain types of warts and skin cancer by stimulating an immune response. 4. Ask your doctor about Veregen. This is a new medication used to treat genital warts as well as other types of warts. 5. Ask your doctor to cut it. This is where you ask your doctor to remove the wart by surgically cutting it out. This is best left to the doctor, to prevent infection and so that a local anesthetic can be used to relieve pain. 6. Use salicylic acid. Soak the skin in water for 5 minutes or more, apply the acid with a brush and let it dry. Leave it for a day. You can peel it off or file it down and then remove the remaining dead skin. Do this every 2 or 3 days. 7. Consider immunotherapy. Your doctor can advise you on this treatment, which uses your body immune system to attack the wart. 8. Try liquid nitrogen, also known as cryotherapy or freezing the wart. It works by damaging the wart cells, which can help your body build immunity against the wart. 9. Be patient. Some warts will disappear over time without treatment. If you have a healthy immune system, the warts will eventually go away on their own, but it can take 1 to 3 years. I believe any of these tips will help you get rid of the wart completely. Try them and give us your feedback in the comments below. I wish you all the best. I love you. Remember to subscribe so that we can be motivated to give you more and more helpful tips. See you on the